Looking to send or receive money online securely? Setting up an account for PayPal is one of the smartest choices you can make. Whether you're a freelancer, online shopper, or small business owner, having a PayPal account makes online transactions smooth and hassle-free. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make an account on PayPal. First, visit the official website, www.paypal.com. Make sure you're on the genuine PayPal site to avoid phishing scams. Once there, click on Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll be asked to choose between a personal account and a business account. If you're an individual looking to shop online or send money to friends and family, choose personal. If you're a seller or running a business, opt for business. Alright, so after choosing the account type, the next step is to enter your email address and create a strong password. Now here's the thing. Your PayPal login will be tied to this email, so it's super important to make sure it's secure and, of course, active. Take your time with this step. Alright, next up, you'll need to fill in your personal details like your name, address, and phone number. After that, you should link your debit or credit card, or even your bank account, to get started with sending or receiving money. Oh, and just a heads up. PayPal will make a small refundable charge to verify your bank account. Once that's done, your PayPal account is all set and ready to go. Now here's the good part. You can log in anytime using your registered email and password. Just head over to the PayPal login page at www.paypal.com/signin. So, let's talk about the perks of having a PayPal account. You get fast payments, buyer protection, and the ability to make international transfers in multiple currencies. Plus, it's accepted by so many global platforms and online stores like eBay, Etsy, and tons more. For more details about PayPal's services, fees, and security policies, it's always a good idea to check out their official help center at www.paypal.com/help. Honestly, creating a PayPal account just takes a few minutes, and once you're set up, managing your money becomes so much easier and safer. It's definitely a must-have tool for anyone navigating the digital world.